What's going on, guys? It's Valenson back with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing the brand new Samsung Galaxy S10. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on notifications, and leave a like on the video. Don't forget to turn on post notifications to stay updated when new videos release. So this phone retails for a whopping $1,260 in Canada. This is a pretty expensive phone for a flagship, and this is high up there with the Apple prices. So here's the front of the box. Here's the side of the box. Here's the top of the box. And this is what the back of the box looks like. Let's cut it open and reveal the phone. Let's take the phone out and check out what else is in the box. So here's your Samsung wall charger. Here's your USB-C cable packaged nicely. I really like the Samsung packaging. Next in the box is the OTG. This lets you connect other USB devices to your phone. The phone comes with a pair of AKG headphones. The color that we're going to be unboxing today is Prism Black. The phone is also available in Prism White, Prism Green, and Prism Blue. The larger model, the S10 Plus, comes in a ceramic white and a ceramic black as an exclusive to the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. There's also a cheaper option, the Galaxy S10e, which comes in canary yellow as its exclusive color. The weight of the phone is 157 grams. This is a pretty light phone, and it has a 6.1-inch HDR10 Plus certified display. It is a Quad HD Plus dynamic AMOLED Infinity O display at 3040 by 1440. The front pinhole camera is a 10 megapixel camera. It features dual pixel autofocus with a field of view of 80 degrees. The aperture of the lens is f1.9, and it also features live focus. Now to the back of the phone. This is a big addition to this year's Galaxy lineup. The Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus features a triple camera setup with dual optical image stabilization, giving you perfectly smooth video and photos. It features a 0.5 out and 2 times optical zoom and has up to 10 times digital zoom. It is capable of recording HDR10 Plus videos. So the first camera to the left is a 12 megapixel telephoto lens. It has optical image stabilization and is at f2.4. The camera right beside it is a 12 megapixel wide angle optical image stabilized camera. It features dual aperture at f1.5 and f2.4. So the third camera is a 16 megapixel ultra wide camera with an FOV of 123 degrees and has an aperture of f2.2. So the different camera modes are food, panorama, pro, with manual controls, live focus with bokeh, photo, video, super slow-mo. The super slow-mo lets you shoot up to 960 frames per second, regular slow motion, and hyperlapse. This phone is capable of shooting at 4K Ultra HD at 60 frames per second. The cameras have tracking autofocus, keeping your visuals in focus. Now to the battery. The Galaxy S10 has a whopping 3,400 mAh battery, and the Galaxy S10 Plus has a 4100 milliamp hour battery. This phone has improved wireless charging speeds with fast wireless charging 2.0. A new feature on this phone is wireless power sharing, so you can use this phone as a power bank. If one of your friends are running low on power, you guys can just touch phones and share power instantly. This phone features Bluetooth 5.0 and the processor is an 8nm 64-bit octa-core processor clocked at 2.73 GHz with a boost clock of 1.9 GHz. The Galaxy S10 is available in 8 GB of RAM with 128 GB of internal storage and a 512 GB flavor. On the other hand, the Galaxy S10 Plus comes in a special model with 12 GB of RAM and 1 TB of internal storage. Note, you guys can also upgrade the storage with the micro SD card, which you guys can purchase separately. This phone also comes in a single SIM and dual SIM model. The phone is running Android 9 and has front-facing stereo speakers. This phone is rated at IP68 at up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Note that water and dust damage is not covered by warranty. The phone has an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor on the front and has a capacitive fingerprint sensor on the side. It also has face recognition in case your fingers are dirty or wet. Another cool feature is video wallpaper. You guys can have up to 15 seconds of video that can be used as your wallpaper, so you can have moving wallpapers in the background. Note that the phone also comes with a screen protector. So this is the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. If you guys enjoy videos like this, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on notifications, and leave a like on the video. Comment some other items that you guys would like me to review in the future, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.